Journey began by co-founders of a global senior executive search firm, aspiring to create a luxury getaway in a pristine, nature-centric location away from the hustle and bustle of the city. A place where one could experience ekant. Being in an eco-sensitive area of the Himalayas, we have maintained all the natural elements of the place without any electricity or waterline connection. 2 bungalows from yesteryears have been carefully restored, keeping its original character intact. Both the bungalows are independently located. All the restoration work has been done with local workers using locally sourced materials. Each bungalow has 2 bedrooms with a living and dining area. Guests can experience nature walks treks with picnic lunches, birding, village home experience with local cuisine, Almora City Heritage Walk, temple visit in and around Binsar. Sustainable practices completely reliant on solar power, solar geyser and harvested rainwater. Inspire guests to partner with us on our sustainability initiatives. We have our own organic farm. Our team is hired locally. To experience the live lyrics of nature's songs, you begin your journey on 9 Furlongs.